Hey guys, what's good? Shout out for cars we're driving. And today, this is a very special car. This is the 2023 Aston Martin Dbs 770 Convertible. The 2023 Aston Martin Dbs 770 Convertible is the epitome of British luxury and performance, delivering an exhilarating driving experience with a sense of sophistication and exclusivity. With its 770 horsepower, 5.2-litre V12 engine, it is a befitting tribute to Aston Martin's engineering prowess, offering a top speed of 211 miles per hour and the ability to go from 0 to 60 in a mere 3.4 seconds. The car comes on the 21-inch rim, but let's appreciate how stunning the car is. This car actually spins a lot of heads, and it's just amazing. The drive is really amazing. Everything that comes with it is very amazing. One thing I love about it is how the door opens. Now, this opens to a certain angle, which is really beautiful. It's not like any regular type of door opening. Another beautiful thing I want to highlight is how to open the engine bay or the hood. This car doesn't come like any other regular one that you open from below. It comes on the side. So anytime you're in an Aston Martin, you saw it here first. You don't open an Aston Martin from below, but it's at the side. So you need to open your door before you can access this place. So one button presses, then it opens. Gently closes. So the glass doesn't have any frame. It goes into the convertible top. Now opening this thing, just one. Man, some of these little features is what gives you the whole appreciation of the fact that you've bought a car like this and you're paying so much for it. Now, this car is a V12, a 5.2 twin turbo, and trust me, it does a whole lot of tricks. So one touch, then you also have to close the other side. That's it. The sculpted body, signature Aston Martin grille, and aggressive front fascia combine with the soft-top convertible roof to create a striking presence on the road. The interior is a haven of luxury with a finely crafted leather upholstery, exquisite stitching, and a state-of-the-art technology, including a responsive infotainment system that is user-friendly despite its advanced capabilities. Trust me, it's a Mercedes. I like this car so much because it gives you the very best, even in GT mode. Now, the whole idea of you taking a ramp in this manner is very important. The pops and bangs in sports class is really just amazing. Wow. Beautiful, right? In conclusion, the 2023 Aston Martin Dbs 770 Convertible is an extraordinary automotive masterpiece. It's as comfortable as it is thrilling, as refined as it is fierce, and an undeniable showcase of what happens when engineering brilliance meets unrelenting passion for driving. This is Shout Out for Cars We're Driving, and always remember, if it's not on the show, then it's not worth driving.